Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Please always refer to your use and care guide and installation manual before beginning any repair, as they are the primary sources of information regarding your appliance. Warning: electrical shock hazard. Disconnect power before servicing. Replace all parts and panels before operating. Failure to do so can result in death or electrical shock. Before you replace the drive block in your washer, be sure to unplug the power cord and use tape to secure the lid. Next, remove the top two hinge screws, securing the main top hinges to the rear panel. Remove the screw securing the wiring and tube cover and pull the cover off. Pull the main top forward, lift it up, and support it. Now use a flathead screwdriver to help release the tabs securing the tub ring, and pull the ring off. Next, remove the fabric dispenser from the agitator. Pull out the agitator cap. Use a 7/16" socket to remove the agitator bolt, and lift the agitator off of the drive shaft. Use a tub nut wrench and hammer to loosen and remove the tub nut by rotating it counterclockwise. You can now lift out the inner tub. Tap the old drive block with a hammer to loosen and pull it off of the drive tube. Install the new drive block by aligning the notches in the block with the tabs on the drive tube and push the block firmly into place. Replace the inner tub. Replace the tub nut by threading it on clockwise and use the wrench and hammer to tighten. Align the agitator on the drive shaft, then secure it with the bolt. Insert the agitator cap, push firmly into place, and snap on the fabric dispenser. Replace the tub ring by aligning the tabs on the ring with the catches on the outer tub. Then snap the ring into place. Remove the support. Lower the main top. Align the slots in the top with the bracket tabs on the frame. Then push the top back. Replace the wiring and tube cover and secure the screw. Reinstall the hinge screws. Then remove the tape securing the lid. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and recalibrate the washer to ensure a good wash performance. To do this, first cancel the settings by holding the start button for 3 seconds. Now, within 8 seconds, evenly rotate the timer selector knob counterclockwise 1 click, clockwise for 3 clicks, then 1 click counterclockwise followed by a final clockwise click. All of the LED indicator lights should be flashing. Now turn the timer knob so only the rinse LED indicator light is on, and press the start button to begin calibration. The calibration cycle will run for approximately 3 to 4 minutes and will be completed when the lid unlocks and the washer enters standby mode. Once calibrated, your washer is ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.